Good evening, everyone. My name is Muskan and I'm student of BSc Chemistry Honors second year. Now our next chapter is nitro compounds. First, we will read the introduction. Nitro compounds are an important class of organic compounds which may be regarded as derived from hydrocarbons by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atom by nitro group. Nitroarenes, that is the nitro compounds in which NO2 group is directly attached to the benzene ring, can be prepared rather easily and have been used as synthetic reagents since long, but nowadays even nitroalkanes are being prepared and used on large scale. Next is structure of nitro compound. Nitro group is quite often represented as containing a double bond between nitrogen and one oxygen and a coordinate or dative bond between nitrogen and other oxygens, that is N double bond or one coordination bond. But actually nitro group is stabilized by resonance and is a hybrid of two equivalent contributing structures which are shown below. The resonance hybrid structure is confirmed by the fact that the bond length of each nitrogen-oxygen bond is 120 picometer, which is intermediate between NO single bond length, that is 136 picometer, and N double bond O bond length is 115 picometer. In case of nitroarenes, resonance of nitro group with the ring can also take place, giving rise to additional contributing structures of the molecule. It will be interesting to note that nitro group is isoelectronic with carboxylate anion. Nomenclature of nitro compounds. Nitro compounds are named by writing the word nitro before the name of the parent compound. The number of nitro groups and their position are also suitably indicated as illustrated below. That is nitroethane, 2-nitropropane, 2-nitro-3-methylbutane, nitrobenzene, orthonitrobenzene, meta dinitrobenzene, or para nitrophenol. Classification of nitroalkanes. Nitroalkanes are termed as primary, secondary, and tertiary according as the nitro group is attached to primary, secondary, or tertiary carbon atom. That is, primary nitroalkane example is nitroethane. Secondary nitroalkane example is 2-nitropropane. Third, tertiary nitroalkane example is 2-methyl-3-nitropropane. Now here is the next topic is the preparation of nitro compounds. Nitroalkanes are usually prepared by the following method. First is vapor phase nitration of alkanes. The reaction involves the substitution of an hydrogen atom of the alkane by a nitro group. It is carried out in vapor phase by heating the alkane with nitric acid at about 700 Kelvin temperature. Limitations of the process. During nitration of higher alkanes, all possible isomeric nitro products are found. Moreover, rupture of carbon-carbon bond also takes place, leading to the formation of nitroalkanes containing lesser number of carbon atom. For example, nitration of propane results in the formation of mixture of 4 nitro compounds which are shown below. Due to the formation of complex mixture of products, this method is not used for the laboratory preparation of nitroalkanes. However, the method is widely used for the commercial preparation of nitroalkanes. Next is the mechanism of this reaction. The reaction is believed to involve the formation of free radical, but the mechanism is not well established. Second is action of silver nitride on alkyl halide. This is the method generally employed for the laboratory preparation of nitroalkanes. When when heated with silver nitrate, alkyl halides undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction to form nitroalkanes along with the small quantities of alkyl nitrites. This is because NO2 negative is an ambient nucleophile. However, the mixture of alkyl nitrile or nitroalkanes can be separated by fractional distillation. Third is oxidation of oximes. When an amine in which an amino group is attached to a tertiary carbon atom is oxidized with potassium permanganate, a tertiary nitroalkane is obtained. Preparation of nitroarenes. Nitroarenes are almost invariably prepared by direct nitration of arenes. The nitrating agents generally used are concentration or fuming nitric acid. Second is mixture of concentrated or fuming nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. This mixture is most commonly used as nitrating agent. Third is mixture of concentrated nitric acid, N-acetic anhydride, or boron trifluoride. Ethyl nitrate obtained by mixing nitrogen pentoxide and acetic anhydride. Next is nitrogen peroxide in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Choice of nitrating agent. The choice of nitrating agent to be used for the nitration of given compounds depends upon the following two factors. First is nature of the compound to be nitrated. Second is nature of nitro group to be introduced. In the nitration of aromatic compounds containing carbon, containing electron releasing or activating groups such as NH2, OH, CH3, the reaction takes place radially at room temperature by employing concentrated HNO3. In some cases, even dilute HNO3 can be used. For nitrating compounds containing electron attracting or deactivating groups such as carboxylic acid, which is desired to introduce more than one nitro group, a suitably strong nitrating mixture has to be employed and the reaction is carried out at high temperature. It may be remembered that nitro group itself is also a deactivating group. Nitrobenzene and meta-dinitrobenzene, for instance, can be obtained from benzene under the conditions which are shown below. Mechanism of nitration. Nitration of aromatic compounds like other aromatic substitution reaction is electrophilic in nature and involves a nitronium ion, that is NO2 positive, as the attacking electrophile. The mechanism may be summed up as following, considering the nitration of benzene with nitric sulfuric acid and a mixture. Evidence in the favor of above mechanism. It has been shown that the aromatic nitration involves a stepwise mechanism. The nitronium ion, which act as electrophilic agent, is generalized as a preliminary step and brings about further reaction in two steps. The first step is the slow rate determining steps involving the addition of nitronium ion to the aromatic ring to form a carbocation intermediate. The second step, which is relatively fast, involves the elimination of a proton from the intermediate and by the hydrolytic cleavage of CH bond. The mechanism has been fully supported by isotope tracer technique, which can be explained below. If an aromatic compound labeled with deuterium is subjected to nitration, it is found that the rate of substitution of deuterium is same as that of ordinary hydrogen or protium. In other words, no isotope effect is affected. Next is the chemical reactions of nitroalkanes. First is acidic nature, that is tautomerism. Nitroalkanes containing alpha hydrogen atoms exhibit acidic behavior and form salts in the presence of strong alkalis. The acidity can be attributed to the fact that nitro group has a strong electron withdrawing inductive effect, that is minus I effect. Then second is the anion formed after the removal of proton from nitroalkanes get resonance stabilized due to ability of a nitro group to accommodate negative charge as shown below. It is interesting to note that if the salt formed by nitroalkane is acidified at low temperature, the oily drops of nitroalkane do not separate immediately. But we got another form of nitroalkane known as acetonitro, which slowly changes into the nitro form. This is due to the fact that primary or secondary nitroalkanes exhibit tautomerism, the tautomeric form being nitro form and acetonitro form. An important factor of acid nitro is that it can act both as lactophile and nucleophile. Next is reduction of nitroalkanes. Reduction of nitro compounds is one of their most important reaction. The reduction of nitro groups takes place is shown below. The product actually obtained depends upon the nature of the reducing agent and pH of the reaction mixture. The nitroalkanes can form different products on the reduction as given below. Reduction in acidic medium. When reduced in an acidic medium, nitroalkanes form primary amines. Second is catalytic reduction or reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. Reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or H2 in presence of nickel, palladium or palladium. Catalyst also yields the same product. Third is reduction in neutral medium. If the reduction is carried out in neutral solution, a hydroxyl allyne derivative is obtained. Third is by the hydrolysis. When boiled with concentrated HCl or H2SO4, primary nitroalkane undergo hydrolysis to form carboxylic acid and the corresponding salt of hydroxylamine. When nitro Nitroethane is boiled with concentrated HCl H2SO4. It will form carboxylic acid and oxime. Fourth is Neff reaction, when sodium salts of primary and secondary nitroalkanes are hydrolyzed by boiling with dilute sulfuric acid. Aldehydes and ketone respectively are obtained. Thus reaction proceeds slowly. The reaction proceeds through the acetynitro form of alkenes. In this reaction, the acetynitro form acts as an electrophile. Next is action with nitrous acid. Primary, secondary and tertiary nitroalkanes exhibit different behavior towards nitrous acid. First is primary nitroalkanes react with nitrous acid to form the nitrolic acid, which dissolves in NaOH to produce a red solution. Second is secondary nitroalkanes react with nitrous acid to form pseudonitrols, which have blue color but do not dissolve in NaOH. Tertiary nitroalkanes or nitroarenes do not react with nitrous acid since they do not contain any alpha hydrogen atom. The above reaction can be used for distinguishing between primary, secondary and tertiary nitro compounds. Sixth type is halogenation. When treated with halogenation in slightly alkaline solution, primary and secondary nitroalkanes undergo halogenation at alpha position. The mechanism is summed up below. Next is catalytic reduction. Reduction of nitrobenzene with H2 in presence of nickel or palladium also leads to the formation of aniline. Reduction in neutral medium. When reduced in a neutral medium, that is zinc dust or ammonium chloride solution, the reaction stops at the hydroxylation stage. Next is reduction in alkaline medium. On reduction in alkaline medium, nitrobenzene yield different products depending upon the nature of the reducing agent employed. These products are actually formed by further reaction between the primary reduction products, that is nitrobenzene and phenyl hydroxylene, as shown below. Azoxybenzene A is formed by condensation of nitrosobenzene and phenyl hydroxylene, as shown below. There is a sufficient evidence to show that azobenzene B is formed through the intermediate formation of hydroxyl enzyme and by further reduction. Hydrozobenzene C is similarly formed by the further reduction of azobenzene. Next is reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. Reduction of nitrobenzene with lithium aluminum hydride also yields azobenzene. 6 is electrolytic reduction. When reduced electrolytically in weakly acidic medium, nitrobenzene gives aniline. But on electrolytic reduction in strongly acidic solution, nitrobenzene yields para-nitrophenol due to the rearrangement of phenyl hydroxyl enzyme first form. Electrolytic reduction in alkaline medium yields azoxybenzene, azobenzene and hydrozobenzene. Selective reduction. In case of compounds containing more than one nitro group, it is possible to carry out the selective reduction of one of the groups by employing a mild oxidizing agent such as ammonium hydrosulfide or sodium polysulfide. This reduction is called Zeeman reduction. Electrophilic substitution. Nitro group, being an electron withdrawing group, has a strong deactivating effect on electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene molecules. However, under strong conditions, the nitro group may undergo electrophilic substitution at meta position with respect to the nitro group. It may be noted that nitrobenzene does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reactions. Fourth is nucleophilic substitution. The nitro group has no doubt a deactivating influence on electrophilic substitution in benzene nucleus due to its electron withdrawing nature, but this very electron withdrawing influence of nitro group makes the benzene nucleus liable to attack by the nucleophilic reagents. Thus, unlike benzene, nitrobenzene on heating with sodium hydroxide gives small amount of ortho and para-nitrophenols. Next is replacement of nitro group. In case of polynitro compounds, one of the nitro groups itself can be replaced by the nucleophilic reagents. For example, when para-dinitrobenzene is reacted with ammonia, it will form para-nitroaniline. When it is reacted with KOH, it will form para-nitrophenol, and when it is reacted with sodium methoxide, it will form para-nitrophentol. Here is the chapter nitrobenzene. Thank you and have a cheerful day.